Alright, it's a windy day. Fort Myers, the end of 2023. I'm in this flea market, supposedly the biggest in Southwest Florida. Let's go check it out. Can't fish today. Alright, sausage and peppers. Some corn on the cob.
What are you looking for?
Anybody want some Polish sausage? Polish junk. Well, not junk. I don't know. It goes way down there. Way down there. And there's multiple wings. Let's check it out. Whoa. Hey, little guy. Alright, that's a nice mailbox. Check it out. Look at all this shit. Stuff. Oh, hey, Bobo.
That product,
Bobo.
no label.
We don't pay much tax.
That.
Avenging.
I don't get it. We're inside here. There's just so much to check out. It's a Sunday. What else am I going to do? I thought weed was against the law in Florida.
Yeah, that'd be like $25. Starting at 25, it depends like how much work I gotta do.
Alright, we're inside. Oh, it smells good here. Not so much for weed not being legal in Florida. Man, it smells good here. Ketchup infused. What the hell is premium soap? Leather. Lots of leather. Look at that shit. Handbags. Oh, more junk. Junk jewelry.
Go back.
And happy holidays.
Thank you.
Yeah, some old fishing rods and crap. Alright, here we go. Let's check out the fishing store. I fixed stuff. Yep. I'm getting this. What is it? Trump 2024. Hello. Hello. Everybody have a Merry Christmas. And a Happy New Year. Yeah, miss me yet?